God! Just, I saw your feet come up a little. Holy crap, that's a big plane. Oh, look at those checkers. Oh my God, that's pretty. That is beautiful. That was a good rollover, though.
Well, they go the same direction, the opposite direction.
Well, it didn't do it until it got up a ways.
When I lowered the throttle, it leveled back out. Remember? It might have a lot of torque roll like it. That'd be a lot.
That's a hell of a lot. We may all depart. That's better.
Oh, much better.
Flying backwards.
Sideways. Look at that. It really is. That's cool. This might be a great wind plane. Yeah, I was going to fix it and tell you, I don't think I'd be doing any aerobatics with that tape holding that one.
Nah, go ahead, Billy.
I wouldn't go too far downwind.
Just hanging there. How much throttle, Bill?
A little under half.
Just a millisecond.
I said 3,000, it was 2,900.
Close enough.
I'm rounding numbers. So that says you're really running about 50 amps.
That's it. That's not much.
Oh, that's why you want to go to that bigger and bigger cells and have those.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was a little fast for you.
Is it right side up or upside down?
Yeah, no no sense to fly this inverted. You can't tell.
Yeah.
Well, it's right. You probably need
That's good. Don't cartwheel. All right. Beautiful.
Blow the wheels off it. Yeah, right.
Whoa. Ride that horse. It's a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. Oh.
that stick on the left and lower that one. Watch this. Oh, there you go.
It's a digital turn, man. That's
Steve has one of these. Keep that in mind. I think I'm a little nose-headed.
Are you still adjusting trim, Billy?
Yeah, I should move the battery back.
Yeah. Where to Hickory?
Pretty much.
Oh, this is the one
Pull hard up, it doesn't do funny stuff.
looking for some planes. You don't mind?